Hi there, and welcome to week 4 of COMM 335, Social Media in the Workplace. This week, we'll be talking about social media and strategic plans. You have some assignments that are due coming up, and we'll talk about those closer toward the end. But to get started, I will share my screen. Okay. All right, so you should be able to see my screen. In this video, we'll discuss what strategic communication is and then a strategic plan for social media. So strategic communication, just conceptually speaking, is the purposeful use of communication by an organization or an individual to fulfill its mission. It's goal-driven communication with a structured plan. So we'll talk a little bit about like mission statements and vision statements, but the strategic communication aspect of this is the use of communication to fulfill a mission statement. So we'll come back to that in a moment. A strategic plan is a systematic, which systems equal interrelated and interconnected variables, a systematic, thorough, concise, and illuminating document that outlines what a brand, individual, or organization wants to accomplish. So this is a working document or finalized document that puts in place that strategic communication toward a goal to accomplish. So this is just an example of a strategic communication approach through social media. You can see that they're addressing opportunities such as awareness, promotion, and engagement by adding things that the community can do. They can get these ingredients and make this smoothie. So the Blue Almond or Almond Breeze company is supplying its community with the tools to create this mango date smoothie. Awareness in how to make this healthy and easy drink, promoting their own products in order to do so. You could use a different type of yogurt or a different type of almonds or a different type of honey, or excuse me, milk. But they're using their brand, promoting their brand to make this thing that you can make out of other brands. And they're engaging the community by allowing this interactive component through sharing and likes and commenting. Another thing strategic plans can do is address problems or issues a brand might be facing. And you might have heard of crisis communication. This is where strategic communication comes into crisis communication when organizations are experiencing crises, such as when Aveeno had to recall a bunch of their products. They're addressing it by saying, we made the decision to voluntarily recall all lots of the aerosol sunscreen. You should stop using this, et cetera, et cetera. You still have the interactive component, but they're being upfront. So this is a lot of PR professionals will also specialize in crisis communication and where they should just be upfront about the problem or issue the brand is facing. In the next video, short video, we'll talk about the components of a strategic plan, get back to that mission statement I mentioned earlier, a vision statement and mission. So stay tuned for that.